Welcome to the Term 2 coding program at Northwright Library. I am happy to welcome back existing students, as well as new students who are joining us for the first time. We had a great time working on a number guessing game, which allowed our students to get hands-on experience with key Python programming concepts like print and input statements, conditional statements, and using the random library to generate a random number. I am looking forward to an exciting term ahead, filled with new and engaging projects. Keep watching to see the complete code of our number guessing game. In this game, the program picks a random number from a range of 1 to 100, and the user has a set number of attempts to guess it. The program will provide feedback on whether the guess is too high or too low, and if the user correctly guesses the number within the allocated attempts, they win. Otherwise, they lose. If you're interested in trying the number guessing game yourself, you can find step-by-step instructions on our website at www.codingzone.com.au. Simply navigate to Lessons, Northwright Library, and look for it under the Term 2 project. Happy coding!